You may not always need to see a doctor. There are lots of times when you can look after yourself and your family at home. How ready are you? Do you have all the medicines that you need? Keep your medicine cabinet or a secure box stocked with the medicines that you and your family might need. You can prepare your own first aid kit with plasters, bandages, antiseptic wipes, tape and eye wash solution. Painkillers such as paracetamol or ibuprofen are good for relieving headaches, period pains and joint sprains, and bringing down temperatures. Antihistamine creams and tablets stop itchiness from insect bites, chickenpox and mild reactions to food and animals and symptoms of hay fever. You will need oral rehydration salts for diarrhea or vomiting, and make sure you have some indigestion medicines to treat heartburn and reflux. You can get all of this from your local pharmacy or supermarket, but remember to read the instructions and check the expiry date before using any medicines. And don't forget to keep all medicines out of the reach of children. Do you use your local pharmacy as much as you could? Many common illnesses, such as sore throats and colds, can be treated by your local pharmacy. Many pharmacies are open at evenings and weekends. And you can just walk in. You don't need an appointment. The pharmacist can quickly tell you which medicines will help and if you need to see a doctor. And it's often cheaper than paying for a prescription. Do you know when you can expect to feel better? Most common winter illnesses don't need antibiotics and will get better with time. Sore throats can last up to a week, colds can last up to 10 days, and flu can last 2 weeks. A blocked nose and cough can last up to 3 weeks. If the symptoms last longer than this, then you should think about seeing a doctor. If you are caring for babies and young children, then you should ask your pharmacist or local GP surgery for their advice and guidance on symptoms. Do you know how to care for common illnesses at home? Most common illnesses improve with rest and drinking plenty of water. If you have a cough, stop smoking and soothe your throat with lozenges. If you have a sore throat, eat cool, soft foods and gargle with warm, salty water. Do you take your medication properly? You can help yourself to stay well by taking any prescribed medicines according to the instructions from your doctor. Make reminders for yourself so that you take your medicines each day and make sure you complete the course. If you are using inhalers, make sure you use the correct method. Your local pharmacist can help with practical advice. Just ask. Do you know who to call or where to go for further advice? There are many good websites that provide further advice on caring for illness, and don't forget to make the most of your local pharmacists who can provide support and advice. If you become very unwell or are worried it's serious, call 111 for advice or visit this website for further information about the services available.